NotebookLM just dropped some massive updates, and honestly, they've turned an already great tool into something that feels like actual superpowers for research and learning. If you haven't used NotebookLM before, it's Google's free AI research assistant, where you create notebooks by pulling together sources, PDFs, websites, videos, whatever you need. When you ask questions, it bases its answers in those specific sources, which massively reduces hallucinations. But these new features I'm going to talk about take it to a whole new level. I'll also be sharing pro tips on using these features further in the video. Let's dive in. Deep research that actually works. First up is deep research integration. You could already do fast research in NotebookLM previously, where it would find about 10 sources on your topic. But deep research is different. It's an agentic tool that autonomously researches your topic, analyzes what it finds, and then adapts its search strategy to fill in the gaps. Let's take a look at how deep research works. Once you're inside NotebookLM, click Discover Sources instead of uploading your own files. NotebookLM is built around sources. You can upload your own documents here, but in this demo, we'll let NotebookLM find and use sources directly from the web. Now, we'll ask NotebookLM to run deep research on the future of space exploration. From the drop-down, select Deep Research. Once Deep Research runs, NotebookLM automatically gathers sources from across the web. Here, you can see that the research is complete, along with a preview of the generated report. NotebookLM also shows exactly how many sources it discovered for this topic. If you click View, you can inspect the report and the sources behind it. On this screen, NotebookLM groups the information into a structured forecast backed by dozens of cited sources. You can review individual sources, see what's cited in the report, and choose what to keep. Once you're satisfied, you can import these sources into the notebook and start working with them. For space exploration, it discovered 39 sources, everything from NASA mission plans to SpaceX innovations to international space programs. Here's what makes this integration brilliant. It doesn't just give you a research report as it does in Gemini. It pulls in all the sources it used and lets you import the top 20 directly into your notebook. A pro tip before we continue. Now that we have sources loaded, here's something I do with every research notebook that most people overlook. I ask this question. Based strictly on these sources, identify the top 3 specific knowledge gaps or technical contradictions that remain unresolved. What data or perspective would a skeptical expert say is still missing from this collection? This question helps identify blind spots in your research. NotebookLM is great at sticking to sources, but that's only valuable if your sources are complete. This prompt surfaces what's missing so you can fill the gaps. AI-generated infographics. Now, for the feature that honestly blew my mind, AI-generated infographics powered by Nano Banana Pro. Here's a pro tip. Don't just click the Generate button. Hit Edit first so you can customize the orientation, level of detail, and even describe the style you want. This makes a huge difference in what you get back. For space exploration, I'll go with standard detail and let it synthesize everything about Mars missions, lunar programs, international players, and technology timelines. When you generate an infographic, it synthesizes all your sources into a cohesive visual design. We're talking mission timelines, rocket comparisons, technology roadmaps, planetary statistics, all laid out professionally. Something that would have taken hours in design software gets created in about 2 minutes. Now, with complex topics, you might spot a typo or two, especially in the detailed version, but the standard or simple versions tend to be remarkably accurate. And considering this technology didn't exist a year ago, having to fix 1 or 2 small errors manually is honestly nothing. People are using this for everything: visual resumes, educational tools for students, recipe infographics, even T&D lore documents. The possibilities are pretty endless. Presentation-ready slide decks. The slide deck feature also uses Imagen 3, and it's legitimately impressive. You choose between 2 options: a detailed deck with full text for reading independently, or presenter slides with just key talking points to support you while speaking. I'll go with presenter slides and keep it default. You can customize the length, describe your focus or audience, and let it generate. What comes back are clean, professional slides about humanity's journey to space. The opening slide sets the stage, then it flows through current missions, key players, technological challenges, and future vision. The designs are modern, the information is well organized, and they're actually presentation ready. This is one of those features where the quality genuinely surprised me. It's not just pretty good for AI, it's actually good, period. It rivals standalone tools whose entire purpose is making slide decks. Before we move on to the next new feature, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Video overviews with custom styles. They've also upgraded the video overview feature. This creates a narrated explainer video on your topic, but now you can choose custom visual styles powered again by Nano Banana Pro. You can choose between explainer or brief. You can pick from preset styles or create your own. For space exploration, I could go with something like NASA mission control aesthetic with space imagery and futuristic UI elements. The AI generates a video with realistic narration and visuals that match your chosen or custom style perfectly. You get a proper AI host voice walking through the key concepts from your sources, with each slide designed to match your aesthetic.
And this quote just nails the shift in thinking. That's what the global space economy is projected to be worth by 2030. So what exactly is this new space race?
It's not how everyone prefers to learn, but having the option to turn your research into a polished video explainer is pretty remarkable. Why this actually matters. Here's what makes all of this powerful. Everything is grounded in your specific sources. You're not getting generic AI output. You're getting content synthesized from materials you've carefully selected and validated. Whether you're a student researching a paper, a professional creating presentations, or just someone trying to understand complex topics, these tools give you capabilities that simply didn't exist before. And the fact that NotebookLM is completely free makes this even more incredible. These updates cement NotebookLM as one of the most practical, powerful AI tools available right now. If you haven't tried it yet, there's never been a better time to start.